Welcome to the research world. In this video, we will discuss how to solve the justifying problem in the Word document. So let's begin. For example, this is a particular paragraph that you can see is not justified, and when you select this paragraph and try to justify it, you can see that it does not justify. So, how you can fix this problem? Please follow the steps. First of all, select your paragraph, then go to Find option, click on Advanced Find. Now, hold Shift key and press 6, that is the sign of the head. After head symbol, press P. Keep your cursor with Replace With, and then click on the Replace All option. Now, select your paragraph and click on the Justified option. Here you will see that your text has been justified. Thank you for watching.